Hi, I'm back again. This is the third video for Monday, June 15th, 2020. All right, we're going to shift gears again, and we're going to go all the way back over to page 121. Page 121 in Unit 9, and the topic is three uses of the present continuous. Three uses of the present continuous tense. Okay, and we talked about present continuous, right? Is present be mr is plus present participle, right? The base plus ing. Okay, so we have three uses. Okay, first it says one use is what we things that are happening now, happening now. And that's the most common usage. We talked about it. Right now, at the moment. At this instant. Okay. So whatever is happening right now, that's the most common way we use. Okay. So we could say we are studying English now. Okay, or right now. We are studying English now. Okay. So that's the present continuous. We are studying English now. This is this is what we've been doing since level 1 or 2, right? So this is very straightforward, very simple. We are studying English now. Okay, and you could say you are learning English. Okay, right now. Okay, so remember I mentioned that simple present isn't really the present tense because it's really ongoing. Okay, it's ongoing, like every day, every hour. We learn English every day. We get up every morning. Okay, that kind of stuff. But I say present continuous is the real present tense because it's right now. If I say, "Do you work?" You say, "Yes, I work." Are you working now? No, I'm not working now. I'm watching a video, or I'm studying English. I'm learning English, right? So present continuous is what I say. What I think is the real present tense because it's happening right now, and that's the first way one way we use, and it's the most common way, and it's the most important way. Present continuous tense gets used. Okay, all right. So one way is when it's happening right now, we use present continuous. Okay, when it's happening right now. What's another way present continuous gets used? What's another way? Another way present continuous gets used is the book says ongoing events. Okay, ongoing. Okay, kind of like simple present, right? Ongoing events. Ongoing events. Okay, so let me give you an example. We'll say we are we are we are learning, or let's say studying. Okay, we are studying English online. Let's say this week. Okay, we are studying English online this week. Okay, we are studying English. So we can use present continuous for ongoing events. Okay, you've been watching these videos, right? Every week you're watching 6 videos, right? So we are studying, and this week you're gonna watch 6 more. Okay, so we are studying English online this week. Okay, we are studying. Okay, okay. So you could say we study English online this week. That's simple present, right? But when you say we are studying English online this week, sounds like it's more continuous, right? It's ongoing. Okay, so so ongoing events. It's not just right now. Okay, we were doing it yesterday. We're doing it today. We're doing it tomorrow. It's ongoing. Okay, so that's another time we use. Okay, so I could say I am teaching English online this term, okay, or this semester, okay, or whatever, this session, okay. So I am teaching English online this term. Okay, so it's ongoing. Okay, so it's happening these days or nowadays. Okay, so when it's ongoing events, we can use present continuous. Okay, it's not just for right now. It's something that's happening. Ongoing. Okay, all right. All right. So that's another way we use the present continuous tense. Okay. All right. Can you think of the third one? In the book, what does the book say? Book says, book says what? Book says for future events, okay, but not a distant future, not 20 years later, but something in the near future, okay, for the near future events. Near future, okay, like tonight, tomorrow, maybe next week, okay, maybe even next month, but some not too far in distant future, okay, near future, okay. So, for example, you could say we are studying English, okay, English together on Wednesday, okay? We are studying English together on Wednesday, okay? Today is Monday, so but on Wednesday you're gonna watch some more videos, right? And study English, right? So we are studying English together on Wednesday, okay? It's a couple days later, all right? So there's a near future. So we use present continuous. I don't know if that's possible in your language, but in English it's okay. It's okay to use present continuous for future ideas as long as it's not too far distant. If it's a near future idea, we can use simple present. I mean present continuous. Okay, like I am playing soccer this weekend. Okay, that's another example. Okay, um, let's see. Or you could say she is taking a vacation. Okay, she's taking a vacation next week. Okay, so next week is near future. So when the class is over, okay, class will be over this Wednesday, and guess what? Next week we have free time, maybe. Okay, some of you, but she does. She is taking a vacation next week. Okay, so she is taking a vacation. Next week is in the future, right? Just like Wednesday is in the future. This weekend is in the future, but we can use present continuous. Okay, so these are it's not just for right now. You knew that part, but we can always use it. We can also use it for ongoing events and for near future events. Okay, so those are the three uses of present continuous. Okay, all right. Um, let's look at the page there back on 121. Okay, page 121. Let's look at the chart right there. Okay, let's look at the chart. We have 6 questions there. Okay, we have 6 questions, and the first question is, what are you doing tonight? What are you doing tonight? Okay, let's again, this is supposed to be probably a talking conversation exercise, but since we're all not in class and not at the same time, let's use this as a writing exercise. Okay, so and let's be creative. What are you doing tonight? What are you doing tonight? Okay, so you can pause it right now, and you can speak it if you're just maybe driving. I don't know. Don't do this while you're driving. Okay, so if you don't have anything to write, you can just say it. But if you got paper and pencil, everything ready, you can write it down and then play it again and then look at my sentence. Okay, and if you have any questions about your sentence, just send it to me. Okay, this is not a homework, but you can just send it to me and maybe I can check it for you. Okay, all right. So the question was, what are you doing tonight? And my answer for number one is, I am playing tennis tonight. Okay, I am playing tennis tonight with my friends, and I hope it doesn't rain tonight. Okay, because the weather report says it's gonna rain tonight. Okay, I am playing tennis tonight. Okay, so I'm using present continuous. Okay, I'm using present continuous, but I'm talking about something in the near future, right? All right, how about number two? Number two, what's number two? The question is, what are you looking at right now? Okay. You're looking at me, I know that. You're looking at a video. But I'm looking at a laptop. I'm looking at myself right now being recorded, okay? So, what I'm going to say? I'm going to say, I am looking at my laptop. Or I can say what? I'm looking at myself. Okay. I'm looking at myself. Okay. I'm looking at myself. All right. I don't like to look at myself. Okay. But that's the answer. All right. Number three. Okay. That's again. I am looking. Okay. I am looking at myself right now. All right. Number three. The question is, what are you watching on TV this week? What are you watching on TV this week? Okay. Honestly, I haven't watched TV in I don't know how long. I have like several TVs. I got one in the living room, and then I got one in my bedroom and one in my guest bedroom, another bedroom. But I have no service because I don't have time to watch TV. I have enough time just to go on the internet and watch the news and some YouTube stuff. That's it. I don't have time for TVs anymore. So what's my answer? What are you going to watch on TV? What are you watching on TV this week? My answer is I am not watching, okay, anything on TV this week, okay? I am not watching anything on TV this week, okay? Okay, another way I can say this is what? You can say, I am watching nothing on TV this week. The same thing, okay? All right, so you can say, I'm not watching anything on TV, or I am watching nothing on TV. Same thing, right? Same meaning. All right, so again, you can pause these videos before I write my sentence. You can just speak out your sentence, and you can compare. Okay. All right, and number four. Number four. Okay, what's number four? What are you doing next Saturday? What are you doing next Saturday? What are you gonna do after the class is over? What are you doing next Saturday? Okay. By the way, what's next Saturday? Okay. Okay. Today is the 15th, right? 15th, okay? And then let me look at the calendar. Saturday, okay, the Wednesday is 17th. Saturday is the 20th, right? Saturday is the 20th. June 20th is Saturday. Is that next Saturday or this Saturday? Okay, so, question says, what are you doing next Saturday? Okay, so this Saturday is the June 20th. So next Saturday is June 27th. So the question is asking you, what are you doing on June 27th? Not June 20th, okay? Next Saturday is 27th. This Saturday is the 20th, okay? Remember the difference, okay? This Saturday. They didn't ask you, what are you doing this Saturday, which is the 20th. They're asking you, what are you doing next Saturday, which is the 27th. So what am I doing on the June 27th? What's my answer? Well, I hope so, but I am going to Florida next Saturday. I am going to Florida next Saturday. And when I go, I want to go fishing. Fishing? You like fishing? Saltwater fishing? Okay. So that's my plan. I am going to Florida next Saturday. That's the 27th, okay? All right. I doubt it, okay? But that's what I'm going to say on this video, okay? All right, number five. What's number five? What are you thinking about right now? What am I thinking about right now? I mean, I'm thinking about, teaching a lesson right now. But besides that, I'm thinking about nothing, okay? So that's my answer. So I'm going to say, I am thinking about nothing, okay? I am thinking about nothing, okay, right now. Actually, Actually, the truth is, I am thinking about something. I am thinking about actually someone, okay, which is you guys, okay. I'm thinking about my students. Oh, how sweet, okay. I'm thinking about my students. I'm thinking about you guys, okay. I hope that you guys are all watching this and learning some English, okay. All right, and next one, number 6. This is the last one, number 6, okay. Number 6. It says, what classes are you taking this term? Okay? What classes are you taking this term? Well, I'm not a student anymore as far as schools are concerned. So I am not taking any classes this term. Okay? I'm not taking any classes this term. I am not taking any classes this term. Okay? So those are my answers. Okay? What are your answers? Okay? If you actually wrote them down, and you would like for me to take a look at them, this is not a homework. But if you want, just email it to me and let me look at your answers, and I can correct them for you if you made any mistakes. Okay? So you can do that. It's not a homework, but if you want to volunteer to send me your stuff, let me know. Okay? And it says on the bottom here, which questions are about events happening right now? Okay? Which one's happening right now? Okay? So you look at them. Which one do you think? Obviously, you want to look at the word now. Okay? So number 2 says, what are you looking at right now? So that's number what? Number 2 is happening right now. And then what's another one with the now? Number 5. What are you thinking about right now? Okay? So 2 and 5 is happening right now. Okay? Happening right now. And then number 2, which questions are the ongoing events? Ongoing events. Okay? Which ones are ongoing events? Okay? So you want to look at words like what? Which ones? Who knows? Okay? So it's not right now. It's not right now. So 2 and 5 are gone already. So which one is it? How about number 3? This week. That's ongoing, right? This week. Okay? All right? What are you watching on TV this week? This week is like, you got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So it's ongoing. So that's number 3. Number 3 and one more. Which one is it? Okay? How about this term? This term, okay? I'm not taking any classes this term, okay? So what classes are you taking this term? This term is a long, term is another word for semester or quarter or session, okay? It's a period of time, right? Term. So this is ongoing during that term, okay? So the term is number 6, right? So numbers 3 and 6 are ongoing events. And then which questions are about events in the near future? Which questions are about the events in the near future? Okay, well, we only got 2 left, right? Which ones are they? Number 1 and number 4, right? Number 1 and number 4, okay? Number 1 is what? Number 1 is, what are you doing tonight? Okay? Tonight is a few hours away, okay? So it's a near future. It's not right now, okay? And tonight doesn't happen every day or ongoing. It just happens one time, right? So that's a near future. And number 4 is what? Number 4 is, what are you doing next Saturday? We talked about this Saturday and next Saturday. Next Saturday is a near future, okay? But it only happens one time. Okay, there's only one this Saturday and only one next Saturday. Okay, there's many Saturdays, but there's only one. So it's in the near future. It's not ongoing, and it's definitely not right now because today's Monday. Okay, we're talking about Saturday. So number 1 and 4 is the near future, are the near future. Okay, all right. So I hope that this exercise, was easy. I don't know why they're putting present continuous in Unit 9 at the last page, especially. But that's how ventures work. They jumble everything up. Anyway, so we're done with Unit 9. On Wednesday, we're gonna do the last unit, which is Unit 10, and we're gonna finish the class. Okay, I only have 3 more videos to record. Okay, so I'm kind of happy that I don't have to do that anymore, but at the same time I'm kind of sad because chances are I might not ever see you guys. Okay, but anyway, I got 3 more videos, and I hope you guys have a nice day today. And I'll see you in a couple of days, and hopefully, we can continue to learn. Okay. All right. All right. Have a good day. I'll see you on Wednesday. Okay. Bye bye.